This is the original vintage magnet for the DC can. That's going full blast. It is pretty weak. If you just lay a finger on it, it'll stop. It just doesn't have it. That's at full blast. Now I just set this thing, I just set this new guy, I just set it. Look at that. I'm not even there yet, I'm just here. I can't really hold it away from there, but can you believe that? So the new magnet is so much stronger. It really wakes up this DC open frame. The bushings and the bearings and the shims, that all has to be done like on any version, although the AC you may claim is more forgiving, because you do have to I tell you, I pulled the magnet. I didn't take this off. I just pulled the magnet straight up, pushed the new magnet down. You couldn't get this before. And if I put my finger on it, I could stop it. I don't know if I could stop it here. And if I do try to stop it, it just takes right off as soon as I let go. The noise, though. It's growly even at idle. It looks like the armature is still a little bouncy. But I don't know if it looks bouncy. This is the new magnet, and it's nasty. I mean, it is nasty. It just grabs and I can't get it off with one hand. Anyway, I'll get it off another time. What I've been doing is preparing the motor, this old Flyer motor, which I like them, you know. I've reassembled one of the armatures. This is the magnetic end of the armature that was in there, and that's the magnet that came out of it. So I've put in a new magnet with a couple of spacers at each end that are also magnets, and it's hooked up. That's probably about 17 volts. It's cranking. I got it running as smooth as I possibly could because I wanted it to be, you know, a good representation of what DC cans can run like. What I think I'm going to do now is take this off and put, with the shims in place and the armature machined as good as it is, I'm going to try the old magnet and the old armature, or the fields, and see what we have in the way of difference in response. And I need to come up with some mechanism for measuring power or torque. I'm not sure what it's going to be, but I have to come up with something to make that comparison. Okay, I'll get back to you when I have test 2 ready.